How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be taking a quick look at our 5.0 Resto Mustang GT Decklid decal for the 1985 and 1986 Mustang GTs, as well as showing you the proper placement of the decal on the hatch or trunk and how easy they are to install. All right, you're probably considering our 5.0 Resto Mustang GT decal because the existing one is faded, it's become brittle, it's missing, or you just had the car freshly painted like we did, and you're in the process of getting all your exterior moldings, decals, and emblems properly dialed in again. This decal from 5.0 Resto is a great reproduction of the factory decal, and it features the correct font and text, just like the OEM decal. Our decal is die cut from automotive grade vinyl, and it measures in at 1.25 inches by 11.5 inches. This decal is currently available in black or silver and is the correct replacement decal for 1985 and 1986 Mustang GTs in convertible or hatchback body styles. Now let's talk about how you install the decal. Of course, you're going to want to remove your existing decal first if it's still there. Depending on the condition of the decal, everyone's removal steps will slightly differ. When removing old decals, a heat gun, some clear coat safe adhesive remover, and quality microfiber towels typically does the trick. Whenever the old decal is removed, wipe the area with a wax and grease remover or isopropyl alcohol. Since I'm working with a hatchback, we're going to discuss reference points for those cars first. Your reference points will be the center of the red and amber sections on the tail light if your car still has the 85 and 86 style lights. The right-hand side of the A will fall in line with this area. The GT will sit 9/16 up from the bottom of the hatch, and the word Mustang will sit 13/16 up from the bottom of the hatch. Measure each of these and then mark the areas with a piece of low-tack painter's tape. Rub the transfer paper with the decal squeegee on a flat surface to ensure the decal is properly adhered, and then peel the transfer paper away from the backing. Align the right-hand side of the A and then align the two other marks with the top of the tape. Now, whenever you do this, be sure you don't place the decal on top of your tape. Use light pressure and push the squeegee across the transfer paper. Carefully pull the paper away from the decal. If any small bubbles are present, park the car in the sun for a few hours so that it can relax the vinyl. After that, you're good to go. Now for those of you with a convertible, the measurements for the Mustang and GT are the same as the hatchback. However, the left-hand side of the M is going to be positioned 1 inch over from the edge of the trunk lid. If you guys have followed the channel and you're frequent viewers of our videos, then you know that I love easy restoration parts. Not that I don't like the more involved stuff. It's just something about the quick and easy parts like this decal that make you feel good inside. As always, if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more Foxbody restoration videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. Until next time, you guys know what to do. For all things Foxbody, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.